Okay, YouTube, if your Samsung Galaxy Book S is not turning on, no signs of life, and the USB-C ports do not pull any amperage. I mean, they show 5 volt, but do not pull any amps and do not switch to 15 volt. Try this little trick. It might fix your problem. So take off the bottom cover, take off this heatsink. 1, 2, 3, but 6 screws. 6 screws, okay. Pull the heatsink up. It's glued on this side, kinda. Okay, like that. And disconnect the battery. Okay, disconnect the battery. Do it like that for a little bit. You can actually try to turn it on. Let me see, where's my meter? It's right here, actually. After this little trick, you should see the 5 volt change into 15 and you are back in business. Okay, so little trick to get your, what is it, Galaxy Book S, anyway, back to working order. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope it'll help someone of you guys, and as always, have a lovely day. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks, bye guys. Bye.